Hello, welcome to the course on design with Canva. First of all, thank you for signing up for this course. Great to have you on board. In this course, you'll learn what Canva is and how you can create awesome designs with Canva for your business and work. And by the way, this is a no bullshit course. I respect your time and I will not waste even a minute of your time. So this course is especially for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and the people who want to make money online. I know the struggle you people face, and I face the same struggle, and this is why I made this course to help all of you out. Alright, let's jump right in and see what are the things that you will learn in this course. So first thing you learn is Canva fundamentals. I'll walk you through every option on the dashboard, on the workspace in the Canva screen, and teach you step by step and how to use each one of them. And design fundamentals. And design comes to colors, the fonts, the images. These things make design, and I want you to make great design. So I'll teach you all the steps, all the websites, all the tricks and tips I use every day to make awesome designs. In fact, whatever you're seeing right now is made on Canva. You'll learn, along with that, we'll do a couple of projects. The first one, we'll make a Facebook advertisement and a Facebook cover for your page, for your Facebook page, for your Facebook group, etc. And the second thing is YouTube. So we'll create YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art. Also, coming to Instagram, we'll make an inspirational quote post, an infographic, and a flashy post. Let's see what a flashy post is in a little bit. And Twitter, we'll make a Twitter post and a Twitter header. And we'll also learn how to put a Twitter background image and write text on top of that throughout the course. And the last but not probably the most important is making money with Canva. I know a couple of you who want to make money online with selling designs, and this is exactly why I made this course. In this last topic, I'll teach you how you can leverage the skills that you're learning in this course and build an online business. And before we move on, I want you to join the Facebook group that I created for all of you, because I believe you can learn more by looking at the designs of others. When you share ideas, you learn more, and this is exactly where we have the discussion. So I want you to join this group. I'll leave the link in the next lecture.